Hi, I'm Kai, and today I want to show you how you can add a control panel in EPLAN Pro Panel. I show you how you can add several panels in one go, and when you have two panels next to each other, how you can change the hinge of the door so that the key locks are in the middle of the both panels, so that the key locks looks like you know it from your closet at home. Sponsor of this episode is MVP, Advies and Engineer Bro. They are located in the Netherlands and are specialized in infrastructure, water management and industrial automation projects. They can support you with your EPLAN project because they have several well-educated EPLAN engineers. And beside of this, they're running their own YouTube channel. The link to their YouTube channel, their website and their LinkedIn profile you can find in the video description below this video. And now let's have a look how we can add a control panel in EPLAN Pro Panel. So first of all, we open the layout space navigator. You can find it under the tab Home and then here under 3D layout space navigator. And as you can see, I have several layout space already in my project. We want to add a new one. So we click here on new layout space and give this layout space a name. Here you can select the structure identifier. So when you want to create a panel layout for a specific location designation, you can select it here. I select now, for example, the A5 enclosure 4. Click OK. You can also add a description and click OK. And here in the layout space navigator, you have now an empty layout space. And when you want to insert a control panel, we go to Insert. And here you have devices. And within devices, you have some icons for specified devices. And when we click here on Enclosures, you get a filter in your parts database that you can select your enclosures. I select here the Rital VX, click OK. And now we have it here on our mouse cursor. And as you can see, you have these small gray quarters. With A on your keyboard, you can change the handles. And when you want to place it on the coordinates X, Y, Z 0, 0, 0, you can click on your keyboard 0 space 0 space 0 and click Enter. And then EPLAN adds your control panel on the 0 coordinates. When you want to have the next one, beside, you need to check that the handles fits to your control panel. So when you want to do it on the right side, you can do it on this way. Or when you want to do it on the left side, you can change the handle with A on your keyboard. And you need to find the insertion point on the other side of your control panel and add it on the other side. A little bit easier way to insert several control panels, I delete it now, is that we click on Insert Enclosures, click OK, and then make a right click and click on Placement Options. And here you can select multiple placements. You can, for example, select that you want to have two. You can change the distance between these two, and you can change also the placing mode. For example, when you have several, you can change from left to right or from right to left. I keep it as it is and click OK. Now I insert the coordinates again and have two enclosures. So I change the view. And now you can see that this door has on the left side the key lock and this as well. And now we want to change this panel so that the key lock is also here in the middle. What we do here is right click and synchronize selection. Then we jump here in our layout space to the enclosure. We can mark it, right click and click on Exchange Parts. And now we select the same control panel, click OK. And the Rital macros has normally several variants. The variant B, as you can see in the preview, is normally with the keylog on the other side. So when we click now OK, EPLAN replaces the variant A with the variant B, and you have the keylog in the middle and here the hinge on the left side. Thanks for watching this video. If you have further questions, please leave a comment below this video, drop a like if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe and activate the notifications. Hope to see you in the next video, which I recommend you on the right side. Grow your EPLAN skills.